before they come take the number of the people. Right, take every lead. Finish now. They are with the more time now.
No, they talk. I'm hearing you.
So the present now, as we say like this now, we are suffering.
As somebody from commission, you go talk that one there.
We from the Swale community, both strangers and the community. We don't have both Calabar, every tribe is every tribe are here now present now. So we are suffering for food and whatever.
So somebody came here earlier to take your list of name and everything. Who is the person?
I'm not believing.
No, we have never sent out the list. They only asked us to write the name. So that when they will come back, then they will collect the list. But up to this date, we have set our eyes on those people.
Okay.
And we don't have any leakage, any source to reach you people, so that people can understand how we are feeling here. Thank God you are here.
Yes, thank God that you are here.
Thank God you are here. So now I feel we have come to the last quarter. So it's for you people now to take advantage of what you have done for naked ID. Because for we here, we have no money. Even before we organize ourselves, we bought plans to arrange it.
Okay, so which community are you from? Sorry.
No, this is Swale.
No, where you are living?
I was living in Swale here by Sound Road.
Okay, it's alright, no problem. It's alright. Thank you.
Thank you.